There are two cases, you mentioned them before, that have to do with trans women trans women in sports, and also a Colorado case about conversion therapy, which has to go to free speech, whether people can talk about this, whether mental health therapists can talk about it, and is there such a thing as I think, a certified therapist in this category. Two cases on similar subjects, is that very usual for a court to take on in one session?
Well, it's the court has injected itself into the culture wars. Um, and so it's somewhat unusual, but it's kind of predictable for this court. And it'll be very interesting because, of course, back maybe 4 or 5 years ago, the court kind of surprisingly interpreted the Civil Rights Act, Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, to protect LGBT and trans people from employment discrimination. And that was a case of, excuse me, statutory interpretation, interpreting the reach of the Civil Rights Act. That didn't say anything about the Constitution. Um, so that was kind of a toe in the water, and whether they're going to how the constitutional issues are going to affect are going to relate back to that statutory decision. We'll see, but it is a little overweighted in that direction because that's issues the court seems to care about.